Now yesterday we have started the practical geometry and we have solved so many problems from the NCERT. Okay. Now today we will construct a parallel line to a given line. So that is your second topic. The first topic was done yesterday, how to construct a triangle and how to construct an angle and bisect it. Okay. So today we will learn how to construct a parallel line to a given line. Okay. So write the question. Construct a parallel line. Construct a parallel line to a given line. In R.S. Agarwal, this practical geometry included in chapter number 14, because NCERT there have chapter number most probably, what was the chapter number in NCERT? 14. Okay, so there are in chapter number 14, page number 186, this practical geometry has included how to construct a parallel line to a given line. Okay, I am recapping again. We are not doing the basic geometrical idea or understanding elementary shape. We have already completed up to standard 6, the up to before PA 1 examination. We have already completed the practical geometry. Now we are solving the practical geometry. How to construct the different geometrical figures with the help of the geometrical instrument. Okay. Now today we will learn how to construct a parallel line to a given line. Now what is the process? Suppose what is written here? A given line. That means a line also be given. Suppose the line is you also draw along with me. Suppose AB is the given line. AB is the given line. First step, which line will be given? At first we have to construct the line. Okay, this is step 1. Step 2. Step 2, at first take a point outside the given line. Suppose it is P, and also take a point on the line, suppose S. Now what is the first step? At first you will construct or draw
a line,
the given line. Next step, take a point outside the line. I have taken P. Next step, take a point also on the line. Step 3. Okay. Then next step, add between 2 points that is given outside the line and is on the line. Okay. This is number 4 step. Next, up to this portion I have used only the
scale.
Only I have used the scale. Next instrument will be use pencil compass. Okay. Done everybody up to this portion. Next step, you look very carefully. There a form and angle. There a angle is formed here. So you will have to How will you get the parallel line? How will you get the parallel line? If you construct this angle through the point P here as a alternate angle, then automatically line will appear, will come here. Okay, understand? So what is the next step? At first take an arc of any radius, take an arc of any radius through the point S, through the point S, through the point S, cut here and make an arc. Okay, now next step, without changing the radius, without changing the radius, also cut from point P, cut from point P. Okay, now I am recapping again. At first, place the needle on S point and take a radius and draw an arc. Without changing this measure, also make an arc through the point P, through the point P. Next, measure this opening part, measure this opening part, measure this opening part and cut from this point. Okay, next, what is the next step? We will have to add, we will have to add the intersection of two arc and the point, intersection of two arc and the point. Now make a line. Suppose it is C D. So this is the process. This is the process. Now I am recapping again how to construct a parallel line to a given line through a point that is outside the line. That is outside the line. What is the process? Step 1. Which portion will be focused first? The given line. So at first construct the given line. I have drawn the line AB and take a point S on it and also take a point outside the line. Next step, add between 2 points P and S. Then I have constructed an angle through the point P. I have constructed an angle, that is angle PSB through the point P. Okay, CPS, that means here the angle is constructed here. The angle is constructed here. Okay, so at first I have placed the needle of the compass here and have taken an arc that through the point P without changing its radius. Also make an arc here and measure the opening part. Measure the opening part with pencil compass. With pencil compass. Then from this point cut here. Now join the intersection of two arc and the outer point. Now CD is parallel line. How will you write? CD parallel. CD is symbol of parallel. Okay, this is symbol of parallel. So CD parallel AB. Okay, in your examination, if this kind of questions will be given, if you will get, so you will have to just draw. Do not explain. Do not explain the process. In the previous time, you will have to write the process. But in new education policy, they have mentioned that only the student will construct the geometrical figure. Okay, so its method, how would you construct the geometrical figure? The method writing is not mandatory. Okay, so you will remember the step by step, because it is called practical geometry. From which portion I have cut it, I have intersect, I have given an angle. So this is the process. Construct a parallel line to a given line. Construct a